Regards to YouTube content with the GTR, it's definitely one that I'm struggling with. So everyone, I've got an idea. I own a GTR. It is my dream car, and there's a lot of things that I wish I could always do with it, but I don't always end up doing. When you actually have it, what do you end up getting up with as a normal person who just lives your day-to-day normal life? Well, that's what I'm basically gonna try and figure out today. I'll be honest, I was half tempted to do the whole video looking like Paul Walker in Too Fast and Furious running into the GTR, but with all the stuff you gotta kind of do to prep it, I just thought it'd be a bit more authentic to show what it's like to just basically get ready for a YouTube video. I should really go and get rid of some of these parcels that I've got in the car. There we go, post office done. Get the car back on. What's next? You know what, fuel's getting a bit low, but I'll probably fill that up later. I think right now I'm gonna go drop off something to my brothers. You know what, let's go fill up fuel next. Pretty low on fuel, and especially because I want to take the car for a drive. $162.9 for normal petrol. What the hell? Oh, is that an RS7 I saw? 199.9. Not fun. Everyone's looking at me like, what? Actually, V-Power petrol is 177.9. I was looking at V-Power diesel. Right, so 40 quid basically got me just underneath the halfway line. I miss it when fuel was cheaper. Coming for a bit. That's another pit stop done. What's next? All right, going to get dry cleaning done. The dry cleaning was not a success. Just on the way here, I saw the Mercedes showroom, and we should maybe head over there and just have a quick look outside at some of their cars. Oh yes, that's not bad. That looks really good, but I really like this for some reason. That looks good. I do still seriously lust after the S-Class. They are such beautiful cars. The CLS, I think they're extremely underrated compared to everything else. The interior on them is beautiful. And let's see, 40,000. Yeah, I'm talking about all of this like I've got all the cash, but I don't. Yeah, the rest of them are A-classes here and stuff, so not really for me. This does look good, although it looks really weird in the matte that these two panels don't look like they fully match. Out of all the cars here today, this is actually looking mighty tasty. E53, 57,000, beautiful tan leather interior. But let's jump back into the GTR, go for a little drive. So the sun is coming down really nicely. I don't know what you guys think of the little outside view that I took of the car, but that's something different I tried. Very, very unsettling to drive with a GoPro attached to the outside of the car, and especially for me, it's basically my only camera at the moment. Maybe I should get another cheaper GoPro for the outside shots. You feel it in your heart, you're like, oh, please don't fall, please don't fall. Just don't want to break it and end up having to buy a new camera and all sorts. That kid was checking the car out. Let's try another shot of the car driving on this road. Yeah, I'm gonna do that again. I think I need to get a different GoPro mount for the outside, or just pick a better location, because the rear window probably wasn't the best, especially on the corner where it's a lot more curvy. How's this, everyone? Does that look all right? So here's the thing with driving the GTR around all the time. It's one of those things where it's a bit hard to do. You don't really want to leave it parked out all the time. You don't really want to just park it anywhere wherever you're going. You don't really want to just do the short little running around. Whenever you're in the car, you want to just take it somewhere fun, take it somewhere nice, take it for a nice long drive, just enjoy it. Because that's what these cars are all about, really. They're about enjoying all the noises they create. Old school feel of having one of these. But yeah, a lot of the time with these kind of cars, you want to make an experience out of driving it. And I feel like nowadays, especially with the fuel prices the way they are, and especially with the way the world's changed with lockdown and COVID and all those sorts of things, I feel like I've stopped going out to a lot of things that I used to go out to. And it's not so much as out of fear or anything like that. It's just, I don't know, I kind of feel like the occasions just aren't there. Or I don't go about making those occasions happen anymore. And I feel like that's something that I need to change. Not just with my day-to-day life, but just generally enjoying the car. I'm still working at paying this car completely off. You know, I've basically got a loan out on it, so that's looking to get cleared as quick as I can. But the kind of sad thing for me is my YouTube content on the GTR does not really do that well on YouTube. You know, it seems like I get a few like, I might get like a few hundred views at the beginning, and then it kind of dies down, which is a bit sad really, because it makes me feel like I should be doing other content and not working or doing stuff with the GTR. But that's not what I want. I want to be able to enjoy this car and enjoy it with you all. I want to be able to experience all the amazing things that I want to get up to with this car and all the ideas that I've got, but it becomes hard to justify it sometimes. So it is one of those things where I'm probably never going to get the returns back on what I invest into creating content with this car. But if it puts a smile on my face like that, and it makes some of you smile as well, and gosh, this car is something. But yeah, if it's something that's able to make me smile, make you all enjoy driving around, being in this car with me, then that will make it worthwhile. But sometimes it's hard to get that mindset going where you're like, you know what, I need to create some more content with the GTR. I've got a backlog already of loads of videos that I want to clear up, a lot of ambient light installs. So I'm trying to be a member of the car community, showing people how to work on their cars, but at the same time, you know, having those moments where I get to enjoy my own cars, the things that I've worked hard on. I don't know, I'm trying to have like an honest conversation about owning the GTR and just in general all the things that you can kind of get up to with it. Like this moment right now. Just love it. And then when you're driving around, you get to hear some of the burbles coming out from the back, just going boom, 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 boom. It's running probably a little bit rich, but oh my god, dude! Wow! I wonder, because I've got another ECU to go into this car, I wonder what the differences will be just from changing over the ECUs. Oh gosh, yeah, the traffic, you guys can see it on the other side. I'll be honest, this car is actually really comfortable. So if I did have to daily drive this, going around to work and stuff, then the seats are really comfortable, the driving position's really good, the clutch is nice and smooth, it's not too heavy for what the car is, the gearbox is nice and smooth. Yeah, as I was saying, so you know, with YouTube at the moment, with my content with the car, it's not doing as good as I wanted it to, but I do feel like obviously with my channel, it's not just about the JDM cars, it's not just about ambient lights, it's a bit of both. It's a bit of just me expressing and showing my life. I don't feel like my car content on the GTR is bad, it's just probably not getting shown to the right people. My stuff isn't all about the whole doing really crazy silly things with these cars. It's more real life things, working on it yourself. There's a Porsche showroom up ahead. Might end up going there with the car. This looks nice. Let's take some photos of the car here. GTR's all parked up, and look at all the Porsches here. It does look really good over here though. But that's the thing, right? With owning these cars, you gotta do it for yourself. These random spots that I'm going to, this is all for me, just to enjoy my car and enjoy going to these locations. You know, who doesn't mind looking at some Porsche Panameras? This one looks really nice. I love the way they have their cars parked up out here like this. Don't know if you guys can hear me at all, but this looks wicked. Jeez. But quick walk around over. BMW showroom's actually not too far, so we're gonna end up going there. Let's hear how the GTR sounds in this quiet, closed off spot. Yep. Passes the sound check. But yeah, the BMW showroom is not too far from here, so let's actually go to the BMW showroom. There's a lot of nice Ferraris here. You know what? Let's go to Ferrari actually. Someone's leaving in his Ferrari. Looking at all these, wow, they look good. This car in this color, I just love the fact they got this engine over here as well. And there's the GTR just up there. This is the convertible version as well. Oh, what is it called again? The Super America or something? Yep, Super America. That's gonna be rare. Right hand drive as well. Didn't actually realise how the Super Americas look at the back, but interesting view. That looks awesome. Yeah, they're actually really nice in there. I wanted to kind of come to Ferrari first because they close earlier than BMW. I think BMW closes at like 8, whereas they close at 6. So, right, time to head over to BMW. That is beautiful. But this is nice. I could live with this, that's for sure. Oh my god, this is comfy. I'm just being such an idiot today. You know what, I've just jumped into the new 5 Series and seats are way more comfortable than this, than the M8. Great car. Look at the ambient lighting in this. I'm telling you, modern cars, all ambient lighting. This is a proper lineup here. RS4, 8 Series, 7 Series, and beautiful M5. I was not expecting them to have a 1M here, that's for sure. Jeez, £42,000. These have held their value good. That's a good looking car. There's a lot of cool cars here, a lot of nice potential. But let's carry on driving around the GTR. So that's all my car shopping done. I did buy this Boost earlier on in the petrol station. Feeling a bit hungry now. Time to get some Boost in me. Get some Boost first. Sometimes you do have to be a bit of a big kid. Just have a look for any good JDM goodies. This kit's not too bad, but not for me. I tried to find a mini R32 GTR or any GTR in the Smith's Hot Wheels section, but no such luck today. Let's get some good Boost back into the car. As I was saying before, with regards to YouTube content with the GTR, it's definitely one that I'm struggling with. I'm struggling to find the right content I should be creating with the car, because it just seems like nothing gets the views that I want. It's one of those things that I need to work towards improving, getting the car a bit more out there. I had a really cool situation not too long ago with regards to this car and being in an event, a charity event next to Elim's Bugatti Chiron, which was interesting. So this just happened, everyone. This is madness. All right, let's go back into actually enjoying this car. I love it. I love every second of owning this car. I love walking out to the garage and just seeing it parked up. There's moments where I have to just drive it out of the garage to work on an install, or just general work in the garage, do something. It's one of those things where a car like this, when it means something to you, every moment with it is special. I'm very fortunate to be in the position where I own an R32 GTR. I can't believe those words sometimes when it comes out of my mouth. You know, it's still something that I'm very blessed for the opportunity. There's a lot of things in life that you just have to just sit back and be grateful for. And this is one of those things for me. It's been a huge amount of fun taking this car out today. It's been fun just to enjoy the car. And I think this is something that I want to do more of. I want to be able to just take the car out, get up to some special things, you know, just have fun with it and bring you guys along. I hope this video with the GTR has been something different, and I've just wanted to talk to you all just within the car, taking it out, enjoying it, enjoying just being a car guy, going to all these showrooms. And I hope that actually having a bit more of a deeper conversation about GTR content has been a bit insightful, and hopefully you guys will be able to support the channel. If you're watching this video, that means you're definitely into the GTR, most likely. If you watched up to this point, please consider subscribing to the channel. Please give the video a thumbs up, it helps it big time. And if you think that there's anything that I should be doing different with regards to the content, leave it in the comments down below, because I do read my comments. I might not get a chance to respond back to everyone, but I do try to read through as many as I can and just, you know,